The TH is special in English because you take the tip of your tongue, place it between the upper and lower front teeth, push air out as you pull the tongue back. Now there's voiced and unvoiced. If you use your voice, you can feel it right here. The, or unvoiced. The. Now you can also press the tip of the tongue behind and on or against the back of the top front teeth. But I generally just teach, taking just the very tip between the upper and lower front teeth. That way you're less likely to make the D sound or the T sound. Practice some differences with minimal pairs. Then, zen. Then, den. Though, dough. They, day. Leather, letter. Lather, ladder. Bathe, bade. Seethe, seed.